goat. Don't know where he went. He might be able to smell me now. Little brown goat. I don't know where the hell I am. I really don't. Oh, he fucked off. Yeah, I don't know where I am. At this stage I'm fucking lost. But this is obviously a water race, and this is obviously the track to maintain it. And I picked up a 1912 Australian threepence, so that's alright. I'm going to head back and go and have a look at all the boulders. Catch up with you later. Oh, I was just coming back as I was talking to you before. I was about 30 metres down here, I found that threepence, but I was just wandering back here and I thought I might find some more, because obviously they had to use this. And I had an 8 there, it was a 10 and it was up and down. And look at that little shit. Hey? Bloody tiny. But it's freaking gold. I'm shocked. Bloody shocked. Just goes to show, eh? Got to put the hours in. Oh well. I'll clean this up, put the hole in, and I'll move along. You might see me again. Oh well, just a quick look. I was going to do a bit more of a video, but it started pouring down, so I scarp it out of here. So there's our little nugget. Doesn't look like it's going to focus, but yeah, and that's Australian 1912 threepence, all within about, I don't know, 20 metres maybe, a bit more. But no, that's all right. I was happy with that. At least the old Equinox is still finding the little nuggets. Yeah, never mind. Gonna head home now. It's bloody pissing down. So catch you later.